Homemade sauces, condiments, and spice blends can add a lot of flavor and personality to your meals, and they're often much cheaper and healthier than store-bought versions. When you make your own sauces and condiments, you have control over the ingredients and can adjust the flavor to your liking. Here are 10 DIY recipes for homemade sauces, condiments, and spice blends. Homemade barbecue sauce. Mix together ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, and onion powder for a tangy and sweet barbecue sauce. Homemade salsa. Blend together canned diced tomatoes, chopped onion, minced garlic, lime juice, and fresh cilantro for a fresh and flavorful salsa. Homemade mayonnaise. Whisk together egg yolks, lemon juice, mustard, salt, and oil for a creamy and tangy mayonnaise. Homemade hot sauce. Blend together fresh hot peppers, garlic, vinegar, and salt for a spicy and tangy hot sauce. Homemade ranch dressing. Mix together mayonnaise, sour cream, garlic powder, onion powder, dill, and parsley for a creamy and herby ranch dressing. Homemade hummus. Blend together chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil for a creamy and flavorful hummus. Homemade taco seasoning. Mix together chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper for a spicy and flavorful taco seasoning blend. Homemade pesto. Blend together fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil for a flavorful and versatile pesto sauce. Homemade teriyaki sauce. Whisk together soy sauce, brown sugar, ginger, garlic, and honey for a sweet and savory teriyaki sauce. Homemade garam masala spice blend. Mix together cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, cumin, coriander, and black pepper for a warm and aromatic Indian spice blend. These DIY recipes are simple and easy to make at home, and they can add a unique and personalized touch to your meals. Plus, making your own sauces, condiments, and spice blends can be a great way to save money and reduce waste by using up ingredients you already have on hand, and can be a fun and rewarding way to experiment with different flavors and improve your cooking skills. Thanks for watching.